I want to honor and yet roast my buddy Iceman Can't Cook. He enjoys crazy and different kinds of drinks and cocktails. So I chose some of these for their name and some of them for their uniqueness in their ingredients. Some of these may offend you. So for that reason, I may have to bleep out some of the names or actually not even mention some of the names. So you have been forewarned. If you are skittish or easily offended, please skip this video now. It is not for the faint. Let's go. Welcome back to Old Fashioned Ways, and today I am doing a few drinks that I think my buddy Iceman Can't Cook would enjoy, either because of the ingredients, uniqueness, or even just the name. I have searched the whole internet for some of the craziest cocktails and turned them to an old-fashioned, or at least old-fashioned-ish. I will admit, I am scared of a few of these. I don't even know why these were invented.
Why would you do this?
I'm gonna start with something rather normal sounding, but love the name. It is bittersweet. This one has all the ingredients of an old fashioned, but the name bittersweet just makes me think of my buddy Iceman. All right, this first drink we're actually skipping because it's already bittersweet. I got all the ingredients out, thought I had everything. I was pretty sure I had it all, but I'm missing one of the main key ingredients, and that is the fig bitter. So it's gonna be a little bittersweet, and we'll actually do it in the next video.
Spoiler alert!
So let's jump into the second drink. This one made me laugh because Iceman is a self-proclaimed. So this next one I adapted into an old-fashioned type shot, and it's called the Flaming. This is a layered drink with spirit, sugar, and bitters, and I will leave a link to the original and the recipe below. So the Flaming ingredients: half an ounce Grenadine Syrup, half an ounce Creme de Menthe, 2 dashes mint bitters, half an ounce Creme De Banannas, and some overproof rum. So this one is special because it's a layered shot, so I need to use a shot glass. Now, yes, I have bigger shot glasses that would probably work for this, but this one's a special shot glass. This is a shot glass that Iceman gave me, as you can see. So even though it calls for half an ounce of a lot of those, I'm gonna adapt a little bit just so they all fit in here, so we can do this in this special shot glass.
You are special.
We have to start off with the Grenadine. This shot glass holds about 1.5 ounces, and this thing calls for 2 ounces. So I'm just gonna bring them down just a little bit. So instead of a ½ ounce, I'm gonna go a little bit between 1/2 and 1/4. Ooh, I love how thick this is.
That's what she said.
Let's put that first Grenadine in there. Now, this is a special Grenadine. It's from Savage Kitchen, from our friends over there at Savage Kitchen. And I finally get to use it. I haven't gotten to use it. I'm definitely gonna be making more drinks with this now that I had to pop this open. Pretty excited though. Next, we have to add the Creme de Menthe. Yep. And also I'm just gonna go a little bit under the half. Just to do that, I'm gonna pour this over this just to make sure it layers pretty good. Now it's in here that I had to do adaptation. I needed the bitters. I'm gonna add some mint bitters to this as well. Let's do 2 dashes of that in here. Next, we're gonna add, it's supposed to be Creme De Banannas. The only banana liqueur I could find in my area is this. I'm almost done with it. I got some little ones just in case, but here we go. I'll do a little bit, about 1/2 ounce of this, a little bit under 1/2 ounce of this one as well. Now we have to add overproof rum, and this is the only overproof rum I have. You have to do overproof for a special reason, and we'll show that a little while. So let me go ahead and add the overproof rum that I just broke the top off of. I got strong little fingers, so I'll be able to get that off, but of course that would happen on this one, right? Matt, I think you're already feeling this and trying to make this harder on me, trying to be the that you self-proclaim you are. All right, let's just put this over the top here. As you can see, I turned off all the lights. It's still bright outside, so it's not completely dark in here, but I hope it's dark enough for us to see this. It's called the Flaming for a reason. We're gonna light this baby up. So there you have it, the Flaming. Cheers. Ooh, actually that's not bad. Minty, banana, fruity. I like it. That Flamejo wasn't too bad after all. Just like Matt, you're not too bad after all, sir. Now this one, we get a little crazy with ingredients. The name of this is not nice either. My wife said that this one is so offensive that I cannot say the name. So if you want to know the name of this one, look in the description below. This is what I'm definitely scared of and stressing about right now for many reasons. It is another shot that I adapted into an old-fashioned type-ish drink. One, I really don't drink tequila, which I can handle the tequila. It's the next ingredient in that, and that is tuna. This drink has tuna in it. Both the tequila and tuna are in this drink, and I don't know. I think Iceman will like this because of the oddity of the drink, plus the offensive name that I cannot even mention.
You've been warned.
All right, here we go. The drink that I cannot mention online because my wife said not to, the ingredients for it. 1 ounce tequila, a few dashes Tabasco sauce, 2 dashes lemon bitters, 1/4 ounce to 1/2 ounce of simple syrup, and some tuna fish juice. All right, we're gonna start making this one. I know most old fashions are made in a either directly in the glass or see, I'm so stressed about this one I can't even talk anymore. We know that most old fashions are made in a directly in the glass or in a one that we put the ice in and we mix it, right? Can't even think of what that's called right now. But I'm making this one in a shaker for a reason. I want to chill this MF as much as I can so that I hopefully get the best result with it. So here we go. Let's start making this. Let's go ahead and add the 1 ounce of tequila. Now we're gonna add the 2 dashes of lemon bitters. 2, 3, whatever you want. Ooh, this one's a little stuck. I'm adding 3. Add a little bit extra lemon, hopefully help with that tuna juice. Now we're gonna add 1/4 ounce to 1/2 ounce of the simple syrup. I'm kind of gonna go between that, not quite measure, but not quite get to the half either. I don't want too much sweetness to it. I really don't think that sweetness is gonna help anyways. It might actually just throw it off, but we'll see. This might be one of those drinks that actually adding like a dash of salt might be helpful to this, but I don't know. I don't know what will be very helpful to this, right? Now moving all this over, we're gonna start opening this can of tuna. So I don't eat any seafood, and that's what's really stressing me out about it, besides it just being tuna. I am not a seafood eater at all, and tuna is probably the lowest on my list. So that I don't make too much of a mess, I'm just gonna, I didn't open it all the way. I need about, oops. And that was a little bit under 1/2 ounce of that. I'm gonna move this over to the side here and keep it on a paper towel so it doesn't make my area smell like fish later, right? Let's move these back over here. Let's get some ice in here. That tuna smell is very, very strong in here. That's all I smell. We're gonna put this in the shaker and we're gonna shake this up. I can never get that thing to open. But I definitely don't want to be spilling this one anywhere. So for this one, I'm gonna put in this pretty little glass here. Look at that fun color there. Now the secret ingredient, Tabasco sauce. So we're gonna add a few dashes of Tabasco. I don't do Tabasco very often. There's a brand new bottle of it just to throw on top there. My wife's in here over there just waiting for me to take this because she knows I'm gonna die with this one.
I'm dead?
And she told me to stop putting more Tabasco. I don't know why, but we'll see. So here you go, the drink that I cannot mention. Woo! All right, here we go. Bottoms up, hey. My buddy, this is for you. Yeah. Woo! The Tabasco does help at the end. Kind of adds a little burn. Wow! I was just checking if I was recording because I forgot if I turned it on or not. So it is. Whew. That was a tough one. I'm still trying to recover from that one. I still have more drinks for my buddy, so I decided to make this a 2-part series. So part 2 will be coming pretty quick. We will be doing that first drink that I did not get to do on this one, and we'll be adding some other ones that I already have planned. Thanks for joining me on another journey down my old-fashioned rabbit hole. If you have some ideas or other unique and crazy old-fashioned, please let me know in the comments below. I'd like to see what you guys come up with. To our next journey, my friends, cheers.